We'll turn the light on so we can see Zoey. Hey, what you doing?
Oh, get them stinky. Oh, bless you. Bless you. You feel better? Huh? Oh, what are you doing?
You gonna yawn for us? Show us a good yawn. That's just babbling your mouth. Those little feet. Wave, say hi everybody.
Say good.
Hi everybody.
Hi.
The hiccups.
Oh man, I'm stinking hiccups.
What are you looking for?
She wants a booby.
Cross-eyed. I think she's looking at her nose. She's like, what is this thing in my face? Ooh, what is that thing in front of you?
Hi, baby girl.
Tickle your nose.
I can hear your belly. It's so shiny.